Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rimsha and I primarily create fashion content and a bit of lifestyle on this channel. So if you like fashion styling videos, please subscribe to my channel. Doing all of this helps me immensely with engagement. Today's video is very exciting because I will be sharing fashion tips and tricks coming straight from Stylists. So here they are. Sometimes we just want to look put together without putting in much effort, especially during those running late, groggy mornings. You can look on point and on fleek by dressing head to toe in one color. Neutrals are endlessly versatile. Or you can go for color if it's that kind of a day. You can also create a trendy look by pairing a denim jacket with a denim bottom. Try bright colored lipstick or accessories. I know trying bright colors and loud patterns can be quite overwhelming, especially if your style has always consisted of neutral colors and subtle prints and patterns. You just don't know where to start and it is just perplexing. If you're trying to introduce bright colors and loud patterns to your ever-evolving style, try wearing them as an accessory first. Such as if you want to try on a bright citron colored blouse, you can go for a cuff or bracelet or even a bright color lipstick. Thought of this, you can even go and purchase an affordable clothing item in that particular color from a thrift shop or like places like Urban Planet. They always have deals going on and they have affordable pieces, but not that bad quality. This way you can see if you really like that color on you, and if you really want to go for a bigger investment in that color, try a vintage cardigan. This is a cool one. If you're a huge fan of graphic tees or own one, layer it with a granny cardigan. This beautiful yellow cardigan, which I thought has sleeves, is actually sleeveless. It's very special to me. It was knitted by my late grandma. I don't own a graphic tee, but as you can see, this style tip can work with any t-shirts from plain to print or pattern. You can finish this look with cropped denims and loafers. If you're liking these fashion tips and tricks, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, number 4. Try track pants or trousers. The lockdown has been lifted in many countries and I'm pretty sure some of you are very excited to dress up, while others want to continue to live in their comfy PJs and loungewear sets and completely avoid wearing restrictive fabrics. For the latter bunch, I would suggest for you to go for trousers or track pants for that comfortable yet formal look, or rather put together look. Pair your chosen bottoms with a cute jacket, blouse and statement shoes. Feel comfortable and look chic. Remember the rule of 2. This one is a big one. It simplifies the process of curating outfits, making it stress-free, and we all want that. If you feel confused or frustrated about pairing patterns, follow this rule of thumb. 2 is the max amount of prints or brights to mismatch. For example, pair stripes with florals or lavender with grays. That's it, just 2. There's no room for a third. String on some pearls. I've said this before in an H&M haul video that I posted last year, in which I did so much unnecessary talking. But back to the point, everyone should own a pearl accessory. They're just so elegant and sophisticated and they add this charm to your outfit and they're so pretty. So to give your outfit a little polish, wear a pearl necklace or accessories like pearl clips, with everything from t-shirts to workwear. You can also layer a string with other jewelry for a vintage inspired glamour chic look, or to add a pop of unexpected elegance to otherwise casual attire. An additional tip that I just thought of, sometimes you might feel like something's missing from your outfit or how can I elevate my look? I know that I have felt this way, so I would suggest for you to take a few minutes and think about your accessories. Maybe you can add some accessories or remove some accessories, such as your earrings, handbag, belt. Maybe adding a statement earrings might look better. Removing a belt and switching out your handbag might elevate your look. So just take some time to experiment and see what looks much more appealing to you, what gives you more confidence. Another way to accessorize is by finding the dominant color in your outfit. For example, if you see a lot of red in your outfit, that is your dominant color. So the idea is for you to find the dominant color in your look and then find the complementary color. You can just Google what color complements red and you will discover yellow, green, black and white and blue go well with red. And you can use these complementary colors for accessorizing purposes. It is a trial and error process, but once you understand it, it would become so much easier for you guys to curate your outfits. Speaking of curating outfits, I have recently uploaded a video where I am seen styling a bright red flare skirt in numerous ways using complementary colors. So please be sure to check it out. I will link it in the cards and also you can find the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. All of these fashion tips and tricks were taken from an article posted on Good Housekeeping with the headline 15 Best Fashion Tips and Tricks from Pro Stylists, unless otherwise specified. I will leave the article link down in the description box as well, so be sure to check it out for more fashion tips and tricks. As I mentioned, there are 15 in that article. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It gives me motivation and I want to continue working on this channel and improving and growing. Let me know if you want to see any specific video from me. I'm open to ideas, so leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. With that, I will see you guys in my next video.